There are a lot of guys out there dating females who are taller than them. On the other hand, we ought to likewise highlight the underappreciated struggles that short males face. Being brief as a guy makes you to suffer from depression. It also involves a twofold greater risk of suicide. Daniel Freeman, a medical psychologist at Oxford University, has actually studied the impact of height on fear. Greater height is also related to a somewhat lower danger of suicide. The factor shortness can impact a male's self-confidence associated with the kind of microaggressions I've already alluded to. However, it likewise boils down to the truth that people normally take you less seriously. As Freeman states, the taller you are, the more most likely you'll do better at school. It has been estimated that an individual who is 6 feet high is most likely to make over $150,000 more throughout the course of a 30-year profession than somebody who is 5'4". How to stop letting height affect your self-esteem while being short may be outside of your control. Build self-confidence and self-esteem based upon inner qualities. Your level of self-esteem as a man ought to not be based at all on how high you are. When you are confident about your virtues and attributes, you will exhibit confidence and become more appealing. The faster you can stop giving a shit about your height, the sooner you will feel confident, be that in dating, in a social context, or in a professional setting. Would you really want to be with someone who would categorically reject you because you're short? If a prospective partner locations such a strong value on height, it recommends a high degree of superficiality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.